Do your production engineers face constant rework and frustration moving from design to manufacturing? Are you struggling to find feasible orientations, paths, and sequences for assembling parts? It's time to transform your design strategy. Make your design smarter with Design for Assembly Principles, or DFA. A comprehensive set of rules and guidelines aimed at addressing assembly problems as early as the design phase. These principles ensure ease of manufacturing, assembly and maintenance, essential in avoiding expensive product modifications and time-to-market delays. But without the right tools, applying DFA principles takes a lot of time. That's why we've developed tools to automatically evaluate how well your product design complies with DFA rules directly from your 3D CAD file. We can swiftly identify design issues relating to assembly, tool operability, or part visibility. For example, will an operator be able to maneuver a screwdriver in these tight spaces? Will this sub-assembly fall over? Our tool addresses these questions head-on. Prevent assembly problems before production. Benefit from a customized step-by-step guide for both assembly and disassembly, and use Flanders Makes expertise to make your design and assembly more efficient. Let us support you in using Design for Assembly as a stepping stone to drastically reduce the time and effort it takes from product design to final manufacturing.